Last time we talked about uh, positive, comparative, and superlative degrees of adjective. Okay. So today we are going to talk about future tense. Okay. We have already revised present and past tenses in previous classes. Let's revise the future tense quickly. Okay. Future tense is that tense which talks about future. Okay. फ्यूचर टेंस कब इस्तेमाल किया जाता है? व्हेन इट्स यूज्ड. ओके, व्हेन इट्स यूज्ड इन सिंपल, देन यू हैव फॉर एक्शंस दैट विल ऑकर इन द फ्यूचर. सो किस टाइम पे इसको इस्तेमाल किया जाता है? फॉर दोज एक्शंस दैट विल हैपन इन फ्यूचर, दैट विल ऑकर इन फ्यूचर. For example, she will play in the garden means this action will occur in the future. So what happens in continuous? At which point of time we make use of this? For which actions we make use of future continuous tense? For actions that will be in progress in the future at a particular time. इट्स फॉर दोज एक्शंस दैट विल बी इन प्रोग्रेस, जो प्रोग्रेस में होंगी, लेकिन होंगी किसमें? फ्यूचर में. शी विल बी प्लेइंग इन द गार्डन. शी विल बी प्लेइंग इन द गार्डन मीन्स एट दैट वेरी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एंड द फ्यूचर द एक्शन विल कंटिन्यू. द एक्शन विल कंटिन्यू एंड दैट विल बी इन प्रोग्रेस. दैट विल बी इन प्रोग्रेस. फॉर एंड in future perfect tense, when we use future perfect tense for future actions that happened before other future actions. So in future perfect tense it is used, future perfect tense is used there for those actions that happen before other future actions, जो किसी और future action से पहले ही complete हो जाती है. Perfect means जब action complete होता है. What is the structure of future simple tense? Subject, will plus verb and plus object. वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म इस्तेमाल किया जाता है यहाँ पर. ओके, सी आई विल वॉच द क्रिकेट मैच टुनाइट. वॉच फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. ओके, सब्जेक्ट, विल, वर्ब, फर्स्ट फॉर्म, वॉच. ओके. So in future continuous tense, what is the structure of future continuous tense? It is subject I, singular, then will, okay, then be plus verb plus ing. I will be, watch is verb plus ing. I will be watching the cricket match at 10 o'clock tonight. In future perfect tense, what is the structure of future perfect tense is subject, will plus have plus verb plus third plus object. So I will have watched the cricket match by 11:30 at night. So it comes first subject I, then will, then have, then verb, third form of verb, watched. Okay. The cricket match by 11:30 at night means this: I will have watched cricket match for future actions that happened before other future actions. What is the future action? Future action is here what? For future actions that happened, which future action will happen before another future action? Means cricket match, जो cricket match की action है वो 11:30 से पहले होगी. आ रही है मेरी बात समझ में? सो नाइट से पहले, मतलब फ्यूचर एक्शन, किसी फ्यूचर एक्शन से पहले ये एक्शन कंप्लीट हो जाती है. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स यूजिंग द गिवन वर्ब्स इन suitable tenses. Make the necessary changes. Fill in the blanks using the verbs given in suitable tenses. In suitable tenses, you don't have to exactly make use of these words that are in this bracket, but you have to take help from these, and if necessary you have to make some changes. Okay, dash you join me, it's will you join me. यहाँ पे कोई change नहीं आएगा. I dash surely going, I will be surely going. So there is change be. Okay, Will dash you please pass me the soup? Will you please pass me the soup? So no change. We dash to watch a play today evening. We would be we we will have to watch a play today evening. Okay, so we have to make some changes over here. Just remember, okay, I will dash watching a sci-fi film at 11 p.m. I will be watching a sci-fi film at 11 p.m. Okay, some of these sentences are correct and some have errors in them. Tick the correct ones and correct the ones with mistakes. By the time she comes, the party will ended. It's wrong. By the time she comes, the party will end. I will finish the soup after playing soccer. I will finish the soup after playing soccer. So not finished, but it's finished. Okay. At dawn, we will be gone to watch a play. At dawn, we will be going to watch a play. Will you mending my camera? Will you mend my camera? Okay. Why will she lend her dress? This is correct. Okay. So some of here are incorrect. There you have to make some changes, and some are correct, and there you have to the correct sentence is to be marked with tick. Okay. So we will stop here. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. And yes, I hope you have this. You have learned about this future tense in previous class as well. I hope you won't find any difficulty in doing this exercise and all. And further, we will be providing notes as well. You will take help from those notes. Okay. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.